Okay, now family, we're going to cook with Ackee Seasoned Rice. Ackee Seasoned Rice, Jamaican Ackee Seasoned Rice. So what I do, I went ahead and I scald off my saltfish and I have it inside some cold water soaking. That is out of the way. Now I have inside here my bone dry coconut milk with just some time. Let me tell you something. I am not doing this Ackee Seasoned Rice with a lot of this and a lot of that and a lot of everything. Why? Because the base of my Ackee Seasoned Rice is going to be coconut milk. Coconut milk has its own flavor. Anybody who knows about cooking. And coconut milk is not something that you play around and take all kind of condiments and throw in it. And then now the whole taste of the coconut milk gone. So let me show you what I'm going to do. My water is here boiling. I have my coconut milk right here. I have my green thyme in it. That's all I have in there. I have some scallions here. I have pepper. I choose to use piece of that brown pepper because them really hot. I have some garlic here. Yes, I've got some margarine. If you want, you can get our butter. That is if you want. If you don't want, don't use it. But I, personally, yours truly, I am using some margarine, okay? My ackee and the rice, of course, and my salt container in case I need a little salt, and my saltfish. That's it. Now I am going to turn my flame up on the coconut milk to about a little less than medium. I'm getting the coconut milk heating up. Now inside here I have the water boiling. I'm going to put some of this ackee. I'm not going to put all. I'm just using like a pound and a little of rice. I've rinsed my ackee with some warm water. So I'll be putting like about this in there. I'm just using a pound of salt. Now flame up. Let me tell you something. And we can probably use another handful because we want enough ackee in the season. Let me tell you something. I'm going to scald that ackee off. I'm not going to boil it all the way through because it's going to be finished cooking in the coconut milk. Now, this is what I want you to listen to, please. When you cook the ackee, the water, when like normally you cook ackee, if you do your ackee and saltfish and you stir in the water, have you ever tried tasting that water? It is acidic, it gassy, it have a bitterish taste. You don't want to put this ackee straight in your coconut milk and that the fumes from after the ackee they get in your Ackee Seasoned Rice. No. So you're going to have to pre-cook. You know, sort of halfway cooking, like in this hot water for about 3 or 4 minutes. Get half the gassiness there. Get half the little bitterish taste off of it there. Half cooked in that water. Throw it off, then you put it in here. Okay? You don't want all of them the taste there after the ackee water. Then up in this. So I'm doing this, and I have my milk here being warmed up. Coconut milk, scallions, and the green thyme, they have a serious chemistry. So that is why I'm not going to put a lot of things to mess with the chemistry of the coconut milk, the green scallion, and the green thyme. So I have some scallion here. This is what I'm going to use. You use the amount where you want. If you have onions, you could use some, but I don't have no onions. So I'm going to go, and I told you, really fine, but this time I'm not going to go so fine. So just push off. So I'm going to cut off the whole of this because I want it to get into me. I'm going to cook it like that. I want it cut into me coconut milk with my thyme and make them go and do them thing. Get what I'm saying? So this is where I'm at, and I'm going to put it right in here. Remember, it's just getting warmed up. I don't want to get it too hot because I've got to wait on this. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to get it all too boiling because the ackee must just barely pre-cook. Forget half the gassiness, as I'm telling that sort of acidic gassy taste. Because you don't want it cook too much and then the rice not cook. You want the ackee and the rice at the same level because the rice will cook faster than the ackee. The fresh ackee, the rice cooks faster than it. The fresh ackee takes time. So by the time we cook it off there, put it in here, it's at the same level of the rice. So Here we are going to do. We are going to wait for it. Give it another about 2 minutes in there, strain it off. And when we return, you see how the thing I go progress. Huh? I am back, family. First thing, I want to show you why you use the bone dry coconut. You notice, you see, you look like, you see like the milk separating, that coconut like run down thing and separate from the water down at the bottom, the oil on the top, it's coming to a boil. Alright. That is why you need the bone dry coconut and not the green one. The other day I went to the market and was in pursuit of some dry coconut. So I was looking in a, I know I have done to do with the video, and if you want to click off, you click off, but those who are my real supporters and like for me look story them me share, you can just listen. And I said to the gentleman, let me pick what I want, because I rice and peas I want it for. I use green coconut cook rice and peas. I talk to this lady, yeah, I tell her it me use. I say, well, if I eat you use, continue using it. I never grew up on to use green coconut cook rice and peas. I was brought up to use bone dry coconut to cook rice and peas and something. Anyway, that was just sharing something. Huh? So now, my ackee have been scarred off. You notice that the pegs are still intact because it's not properly cooked. But I stick out a little biterish water there. So I'm going to put it in my coconut milk right now. Because that's the base of what we are dealing with right here. So you see the ackee in the coconut milk. You see it look? And my green scallion. Now I'm going to put in my saltfish. Scald off my saltfish. Not too fresh. I still leave a little salt in it. Not too fresh. Therefore, you have to be very careful the additional salt and butter. If the butter is salty, you put in there. Alright. Now, this is what the thing look like. That's what the thing set, you know. This is how the pot look. Alright. Hello. I use a piece of few slices of this red brownish pepper. When you see it stay far from it, it's really spicy. If you like the spice, you can use it. And I tell you something, you know, you say if you know the die, you have to smell that coconut milk here and the saltfish and the ackee. Mama. Now, I have 3 peg of garlic. I'm going to put in there. You can also grate some. Me no want to tell you say if you not have. Listen, I am speaking a lot of patois here because this is a Jamaican dish. You see, this is a straight Jamaican dish. I don't want to tell you to put garlic powder because me know you're not gonna get the real taste. So me not just say here what. Just put some fresh garlic. All right. Now we have got our rice. So we are going to put in, oh Jesus, when you come right here and smell the aroma. And all of you Jamaicans, you know, want to know the taste of this dish originally, you know. You're not supposed to have an idea when you chat about, you know. Alright, gently, we're going to incorporate our rice with, Jesus. We're in that pot. Yeah. Hello? If you don't want to, you do not have to. Don't give yourself any problem. If you don't want it, don't do it. But you know what? I swear to God, I want this. So I'm going to put in some butter. I not even know how much, but let's put some butter, some margarine. So if you have and if you want, you can put it. I have one more thing to go. Right here and now, I'm going to taste for salt perfection. Because it saltfish have like a salt. I never salt it out too fresh, you know. But it want a bit, not a lot. That's it. No, it cannot be perfect. It will never ever be perfect without some black pepper. Quite fairly generous amount. Not a bung light, but a fairly generous amount. Now, I will get one more taste, mama. Yes, sir. I don't want it any salty. And I need my cover for my pot right down on the medium to low. Maybe the next 25 minutes when we return. This dish I got lit. When me come, you know me welcome. We are back. We are back. Camera girl, I want you to shoot them up like you never shoot them up before. Look at this. Look at this. Camera girl, did you travel this spot? I wanted to answer like the family here. Did you?
No.
Okay, we did not. No. We are going to, we don't shoot them up and eat. Shoot them up. That's where we left it. We're going right down in this. First and foremost, or first, I want you to watch. Shoot them up, please. The fork going down into the ackee. You see my ackee cook? Yes, sir. We're going right down there from the bottom and right over. Oh Lord, we're ready. Flame off. From the bottom and over. Just gently. You see the saltfish family? You see the ackee? Because we have to perk it up. We gotta perk it up. You see that we add the right amount of ackee to the right amount of saltfish to the right amount of rice. Oh yes. Just a little piece of thyme here lying about really loose. And we are going to do now. You see we perk it up and all of that. This ackee no have no bitrish taste because the ackee water bit scala. We're gonna give it another 2 minutes. And when we return, we're gonna be plating. And of course me I go eat some. All you who know this dish, please to sort out the comment section. All of you, and I guess you must be a Jamaican or some Caribbean person who know this dish. Please comment what you know about it. Please comment how you do it in your country. Please comment if you're a Jamaican or you used to see your old people them cook it a country. And if you used to use green coconut, cook rice and peas a country, please comment. Or is dry coconut, whichever you use, please comment. When we return, we'll be plating and presenting. Plating time. Hello, please. We don't bowl these. We brag at them up. We don't pretty and neat and fine this, you know. So we have to take up our rice. We're getting up some saltfish. Yep. We have ackee. And we look good. Yeah. And this is my Sunday dinner, y'all. The person that requested it, she did it. She requested this dish. I think it's a she on Instagram. And I'm not sure if her Instagram name is as her YouTube name. Social media name, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think this is not a lot, you know. This is just a reasonable amount for any one person. Okay, and we have a little tomato rose here. Not looking so cute, but let us put it at the top and straighten it. That is the only way I'll put tomato in my ackee, just to garnish it with a tomato rose. Let me present to you. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your plate, to your stomach, to your wherever you are stomach, it's ackee seasoned rice. Jamaican ackee seasoned rice. Oh no, see me go tadua, go pick ackee. You saw it, I did it from scratch. Please do enjoy. Remember to like, share, subscribe. And when you do subscribe, remember to hit that bell. When you do hit that bell, remember to leave your comments below in order to be a part of the post notification crew. Post notification shout out goes to who, camera girl, today?
Marine Valport.
Marine Valport. I hope we have pronounced your name correct, Marine. Marine Valport. Thank you so much. You're a part of the Jamaican cooking journey. Thank you so much. You think it's blessed, no stress? Hello, please. In now. What's that? This is a Jamaican thing, you know. You don't play around when it's your Jamaican. Then it's my Jamaican thing. Hello. Let me taste. I cannot get nobody to come into this kitchen to taste and to let you know. So me go and have to do it till me get somebody. I'm still searching. I don't want them come you want to taste good chat, man. No, me no want that. Me want them talk with them taste. So here we go. This thing I think I don't play with this here. But you know say me can't angle anything. Oh God. Whoever requested this, thank you so much. I haven't had this in a while. A little piece of saltfish bone. It's not a mukbang, you see, but it's just so nice. Just a few bones from the saltfish, and you know you have to eat around that. Now, the coconut milk, the ackee, nice and juicy and jelly, no bitterish taste. The saltfish, me never salt it out, salt and fresh. But you taste like a piece, right? You still taste a little bit of the saltiness in it. Not salty, but I pressure, you know. And the spice, it is to die for. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave your comments below. Debbie from the yard, bless. This is No Stress.